Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on addressing pin issues with the Asus GU603Z. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and repair these problems effectively. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. These tools will help you safely open the device and access the internal components. Begin by powering off your Asus GU603Z and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components of the laptop. Now, let's focus on the area where the pin issues are likely occurring. Inspect the connectors and pins for any visible damage or debris. If you notice any dust or dirt, use the compressed air to clean the area thoroughly. This can often resolve connectivity issues without further intervention. If the pins appear bent or broken, you may need to replace them. This is where precision is key. Carefully assess the damage and, if necessary, use your flathead screwdriver to gently realign any bent pins. If the damage is severe, you might need to source replacement parts. At this point, if you feel uncertain about proceeding, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the situation and provide you with a quote before any repair work begins. Once you have addressed the pin issues, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the panel in place. Before powering on your laptop, it's a good idea to perform a final check. Ensure that all connections are secure and that there are no leftover screws or tools in the vicinity. This will help prevent any further issues once the device is powered on. Now, reconnect your Asus GU603Z to the power source and turn it on. Monitor the device to ensure that the pin issues have been resolved. If you continue to experience problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about calls or travel. In conclusion, addressing pin issues on your Asus GU603Z can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. By following these steps, you can potentially save time and money. However, if the task seems too tricky, our professional services are here to help. We can provide a quote before any repair, ensuring you're informed every step of the way. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.